Another day, another story. Welcome to our technical exploration of 4G and 5G network technologies. In this presentation, we'll delve into the key differences and advancements between these two generations of mobile networks. Let's start by understanding the foundation of 4G networks. 4G, short for the fourth generation, brought significant improvements over its predecessor. It introduced long-term evolution, LTE, technology, enabling faster data speeds, low latency, and improved spectral efficiency. A 4G network consists of base stations, or cell towers, that communicate with user devices. These base stations are connected to a core network that manages voice and data traffic. 5G network evolution. Now, let's transition to the evolution of mobile networks with 5G, the fifth generation. 5G promises revolutionary enhancements, catering to the demands of an increasingly connected world. Unlike 4G, 5G operates on multiple frequency bands, including low, mid, and high frequencies. This allows for diverse use cases, from enhanced mobile broadband to ultra-reliable low-latency communication. So, what sets 5G apart from its predecessor? One of the most notable differences is the massive increase in data speeds. While 4G provides peak speeds of around 100 megabits per second, 5G can deliver multi-gigabit speeds, reaching up to 20 gigabits per second under optimal conditions. Another critical aspect is latency. 5G dramatically reduces latency, enabling real-time applications like augmented reality and autonomous vehicles. 4G offers latency in the range of 30–50 milliseconds, whereas 5G aims for latency as low as 1 millisecond, thanks to edge computing and network slicing. Speaking of network slicing, this feature allows the same physical infrastructure to be divided into multiple virtual networks tailored to specific use cases. For instance, a single 5G network can allocate separate slices for critical applications, IoT devices, and high-speed internet, optimizing resource allocation. In conclusion, the transition from 4G to 5G represents a monumental leap in mobile network technology. 5G brings faster speeds, lower latency, and the ability to support a wide array of previously unfeasible applications. 4G and 5G. As we embrace the era of 5G, we look forward to the innovations and possibilities it will unlock across industries and our everyday lives.